Hey guys, it's Jake here with eTrailer. Today we're going to walk you through and tell you some helpful tips and tricks on how to clean and rinse your black and gray water tanks. Now you might be wondering, why is this important? Well, it's important for a couple different reasons. Main reasons is that over time you can have some residue build up on the walls and on your sensors in your black tank, and the same with your gray tank. You can have food residue or dirty shower water sticking to the walls of your gray tank, and that just happens from emptying your tanks. It slowly empties and that stuff will stick to the walls. Well, regularly rinsing and cleaning your tanks will eliminate the problems of your sensors not working properly in your black tank, and it's going to give you a much better smell if you're having odor issues with either tank. So there's a couple things you need to do before you can actually go about rinsing your tanks. So the first thing you need to do for the black water, you need to empty your tank and then refill it halfway and add a cleaning pod to your tank. For your gray water, you need to empty your tanks, then you need to refill it again halfway, and then use half a cup of water softener and half a cup of either laundry detergent or just dish soap, and add that to that half a tank of water. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna need to drive around for a while. The best time to do this that we found is to either add this before you leave to go to your campsite, or when you're at your campsite and you're ready to head home. That's gonna give you the most agitation in the tank to be able to knock that stuff off the walls and get the tank really clean. So after you've driven around for a while and you've given your tanks time to get some of that solution mixed around in there, it's always a good idea to take a tank cleaner like this, and what you do, this particular one has a spinner on the end of it, so it'll actually spin and clean the walls of the tube going down into your black tank and on the walls of your black tank. So all you have to do is just open up your tank, slide the spinner down in it, and then turn it on. And then you just move up and down so that it cuts the whole walls of your tank. Once you've got your tank rinsed, you can do your final dump. When you're doing this final dump, you may see some particles of toilet paper coming out. That's a good sign. Well guys, once you have your tanks completely drained, you're good to go. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.